to delete your data on YouTube in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your YouTube app, and then you have to go to your home page, and you have to click on the your profile picture in the top right corner. When you click on your profile picture, you can see the settings in the bottom of the page. You have to click on the settings, and then you have to find the you can find the history and privacy. You have to click on the history and privacy, and when you click on the history and privacy, you come to this page, and then you have to click on the manage all activity. And when you click on the manage all activity, you have to click on the, then here you come to this page, and then you can see all the activity of your YouTube account. Then the other step is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the delete activity by in the top left corner, and then you have to click on the always. When you click on the always, then you have to click on the delete. When you click on the delete, then and then after clicking on the delete, you have to click on the OK to confirm. And then here you can see the all the activity of your all the activity and all your data on the YouTube is deleted. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.